Dev Kalyan Mohante joined as Director Commercial in RINL on 1st August 2019 and then assumed charge as additional charge of CMD on 1st July 2021. Prior to this assignment, Shri Mohante sir worked as Executive Director, Chairman Secretary in Steel Authorities of India. He is also holding additional charge of Managing Director of RINL subsidiaries, Eastern Investment Limited, Orissa Mineral Development Corporation, Bisra Stone Limestone Company, and he holds a M.Tech degree from Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University in Material Science and Technology. Sir started his career in SAIL as a management trainee technical in 1986. He worked in very various assignments in SAIL, starting from Bhilai Steel Plant as a branch manager, regional manager, head of exports group in marketing division during his long tenure of 33 years in SAIL. Sir is totally dedicated marketing professional with a passion to succeed in all time. Sir has a BSc Honours degree in Chemistry from Ravenshaw College, Cuttack, MSc Chemistry from IIT Delhi, M.Tech from Material Science and Technology, BHU Varanasi. We will all welcome sir with a big clap. Sir, please
Good morning, everyone. Respected Sri Sharma, Assistant Director, Disabled Welfare, Women and Children and Transgender Vizag Chapter. Respected Mr. K.V. Rajesh, Manager and in charge, Alimco, RMC Hyderabad, and all my colleagues from RINL, and all my friends, children, ladies and gentlemen sitting in the auditorium today. It's a great opportunity for me to have come here and be part of this function, which I had never imagined before coming here that it will be of this kind, and the small description that Rajesh gave about the activities here and the efforts of Alimco for making it happen. It really gives me immense pleasure, and I am grateful that I am involved today in this function. Thank you for that. I am glad that RINL under its Corporate Environment Responsibility Initiative has got the opportunity to associate with Alimco, working together to make our society more inclusive by providing assistive devices to the specially abled persons. We feel proud as RINL Collective to be associated with this. RINL, the major steel unit as a public sector undertaking under Ministry of Steel, has tried its best since inception to be part of these activities, whether it is under CSR, CER or otherwise. It's our duty as a corporate entity to see that we not only produce steel for the industry, we also try and ensure that we have a role to play in the society around us. And that's what we have been trying to do and will continue to do, irrespective of the overall situation for us. I am told that the beneficiaries today were identified through assessment camps conducted at two of Andhra Pradesh aspirational districts, namely Vizianagaram and Visakhapatnam. So we